In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect K8 wireless microphone to Samsung. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Samsung device you have, you will be able to connect and use the K8 wireless mic. So all that you need to do this is to plug it into any of the available ports on your Samsung device. It is going to include a transmitter and a receiver. These devices will connect automatically between themselves, so you don't have to spend time setting it up. All that you have to do is to plug this device that has the USB-C end into your phone. So in the charging port, aka the USB-C port, plug it in. This is going to be the receiver, and it will automatically connect itself to the transmitter once it is powered on. So once you have it connected here to the USB-C port, press the power button on the transmitter. As you can see, this is going to be the actual microphone itself where you will be speaking into. So make sure that it is in close proximity of you and speak cleanly into here. Once it is powered on, it will automatically seek the receiver, so the transmitter and the receiver will pair up automatically between themselves. All that you have to do now is ensure that they are in close proximity. You will be able to tell that it is working because this LED will start blinking, and this one is going to remain on. So there is also going to be an LED on this piece that is connected to your Samsung smartphone, and once the indicator stays on and it is in close proximity of the transmitter, they both will be connected. You can speak into the mic, see if it is being picked up, so open something like a voice recorder app, test it, and it should be working right away, as long as you powered it on while in close proximity. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.